In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to our Wix website. So first step, log into your Wix account and navigate to the website dashboard. When you are on the website dashboard, click on Edit Site to open Wix Editor. Make sure you're using Classic Wix Editor. In the editor, click on Add Plus button on the left toolbar. This opens a list of elements you can add to your website. Scroll down in the list until you see Music option, and then click on it. This will bring up various audio player options. You will see options like Wix Music, SoundCloud, Spotify, iTunes button. Choose any audio player based on your preference. For simple audio player, select template that best fits your design, then drag it to desired spot on your page. After adding audio player, click on Change Track to upload your music. Click on Upload Track and select song from your computer. You can also add details like track name, artist name, and album art if desired. You can adjust player's layout, design, and add animation by clicking on Settings or Design option. Play with options like Play in Loop if you want to track, repeat, or adjust display settings to fit website look. Once your music is edited and customized, click on Save and then Publish to make live on your site.